Many British officials in India wrote about Indian history. The writings display strong influence of colonial policies of the British. What is that colonial policies? How they used to exploit Indians. Understood? So many British officers, though Britishers they ruled over a country, they wrote also so many books regarding our country. The writing displays strong influence of colonial policy of British. So whatever some books was written by British authors, the influence of colonialism was there. That means how they used to exploit Indians and what are the ways through which they used to exploiting our country. It was mainly the main part of the, or you can say the writings. 3 volumes of history of British India written by James Mill were published in 1817. This was the first book on Indian history written by British historian. देखो इंडियन हिस्ट्री भी ब्रिटिशर्स ने लिखा that time 1817. So 3 volumes altogether was written by James Mill. History of British India. That means history of British India. When British they came, they wrote some books regarding our country, based on our country. So naturally, their views about our country was stated. So क्या लगता है आपको उन्होंने इंडिया के फेवर में लिखा होगा? No. They wrote our poor thinking and poor quality of Indians. कभी भी तो अच्छा नहीं लिखा होगा, बहुत रेयर ऐसी कुछ चीजें उन्होंने अच्छी लिखी होगी, है ना? So this was the first book of Indian history written by British historian. It is clearly reflect an absence of objective perspective and prejudice about various aspects of Indian culture. मैंने अभी आपको ही बताया कि उन्होंने कभी तो कुछ अच्छा लिखा नहीं होगा, तो इसमें जरूर प्रिजुडाइज थिंकिंग होगा. और जो मेन एस्पेक्ट, जो हमारा रियल एस्पेक्ट हमारी इंडियन कल्चर का, इंडियन लाइफ में कभी भी लिखा नहीं होगा, उसका उन्होंने बायस्ड राइटिंग सुन के बुक में दिखता है. इट शोज दैट दे हैव रिटन विदाउट एनी ऑथेंटिक इंफॉर्मेशन, विदाउट एनी बायस्ड और अनबायस्ड यू कैन से थिंकिंग अबाउट इंडियन कल्चर. So whatever they wrote, we cannot rely on those things. हम लोग उसको पूरी तरह विश्वास नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज हमको पता है कि हमारा रियल चीज क्या है. The History of India written by Mount Stuart Elphinstone, Governor of Bombay, now Mumbai, was published in 1841. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे ब्रिटिश ऑथर्स थे जिन्होंने लिखा. They tried to write, but it was unbiased. It was not. It was very judgmental. They didn't write the true aspect of Indian culture. The period of Maratha Empire is very important in the Indian history. We know that Maratha Empire, or about history which is related to Maharashtra, the struggle of Shivaji Maharaj against Aurangzeb, against Mughal, is very important. Grant Duff name stand out among the British officers who wrote about Maratha history. He wrote the book entitled History of Marathas. This book is published in 3 volumes. Grant Duff writing also shows the British inclination of condemning Indian culture and history. देखो, मतलब वो कुछ अच्छा तो लिखेंगे नहीं, so they condemn Indian culture and history. अभी मराठा हिस्ट्री हमको पता है, एज ए इंडियन और एज ए इंडियन और एज ए मराठी पीपल, और यू कैन से एज ए महाराष्ट्रियन, वी नो दैट व्हाट इज हाउ glorious is our culture. So whatever they wrote, we cannot believe. We cannot have true evidence. उन्होंने अपने मन से कुछ भी लिखा है, उस चीज को हम इंडियन ऑथर्स और इंडियन हिस्टोरियंस उसको हम एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर सकते, करेंगे भी नहीं, हमको नहीं करना चाहिए, बिकॉज रियल फैक्ट हमें पता है. अंडरस्टूड? सो दिस बुक which was written by Grant Duff shows the British inclination of condemning Indian culture and history. Naturally, जब इंडिया पे वो लोग आए, उन्होंने इंडिया को कब्जा किया, they came here for trading, but what they did we know. So naturally, how they are going to praise our Indian culture? So many description, exploitation was there. So it is, we cannot think that we cannot imagine that they will write such good things about India. Similar tendencies witnessed in colonial Todd's writing about Rajasthan history. अभी राजस्थान का हिस्ट्री भी कितना फेमस था. We know about Rajputs, their struggle against Mughals. So the Colonel Todd, he wrote about Rajasthan history. Maratha history was written by Grant Duff, and Colonel Todd writing was written. Colonel Todd's book was about Rajasthan history. The 2-volume written by William Wilson Hunter on Indian history shows a somewhat impartial treatment of the subject. See, सारे हिस्टोरियंस तो सारे ब्रिटिशर्स तो ऐसे नहीं थे, तो एक ब्रिटिशर्स और एक ऑथर जो था, एक राइटर तो था विल्सन हंटर. He wrote something impartial treatment was done on Indians. So remember, अगर आप कॉलम बनाओगे तो इसमें भी आपको ये नेम्स आपको इंक्लूड करना है. आपके मैच द पेयर और कॉन्सेप्ट मैप में आएगा कर्नल टोड एंड ग्रैंड डफ, इनका नाम लिखना बहुत जरूरी है. नीलकंठ जनार्दन कीर्ताने and Vishwanath Kashinath Rajwade were 2 Indian historians who took upon the task of exposing the limitation of Grand Duff's writing. देखो, असलियत तो हमें ही पता है ना, क्योंकि हम लोग हमारा कंट्री है, हमको चीजें अच्छी तरह पता है कि क्या चीजें हुई थी. तो वैसे ही इन ब्रिटिशर्स टू से अगेंस्ट, टू you can say to write against these authors, British authors, what they wrote about Maratha history, they wrote about Rajasthan history. 2 historians they come up and they wrote against these 2 British writers, Nilkanth Janardhan Kirtane and Vishwanath Kashinath Rajwade. They gave authentic information which every Indian they should know. Understood? So they took upon the task that whatever they are not, see, ऐसा नहीं कि उस समय कोई हमारे उस मॉडर्न मिडिवल पीरियड में हमारे कोई पढ़े लिखे ऑथर्स और राइटर्स नहीं थे. नहीं, some thinkers, some philosophers, some writers, some historians, they were not able to digest what type of things they have written, these Britishers. So they cross-examined all those books and they wrote authentic information. Understood? So Nilkanth Janardhan Kirtane and Vishwanath Kashinath Rajwade, these 2 Indian historians who took upon the task of exposing the limitation of Grand Duff's writing. भाई गलत चीजों को हम सही कैसे बोलेंगे, हमें तो सच्चाई पता है ना. तो ये बातों को इंडियंस को पहुंचाना बहुत जरूरी था, ताकि इंडियंस को अपने इंडिया के लिए प्राउडनेस जो फीलिंग होना बहुत जरूरी है कि नहीं. कि गलत कुछ भी लिख दे हम चीजों को बिलीव करेंगे? नहीं. दुनिया को क्या पता चलेगा भाई इंडिया में ऐसी चीज हुआ था? नो, नथिंग. तो ऑथेंटिक इंफॉर्मेशन वाज रिटन एंड दे टुक अपॉन द टास्क, दीज 2 राइटर्स, नीलकंठ जनार्दन कीर्ताने एंड विश्वनाथ काशीनाथ रजवाड़े. दे एक्सपोज दीज 2 ब्रिटिश राइटर्स. अंडरस्टूड? इंडियन हिस्टोरियोग्राफी. हाँ, अब तक ये नाउ 3 section was there in his contest to Indian historiography. First was the ancient, second was medieval, and third was modern. So ancient, you know, the main thing was oral and written material sources. Medieval period also, so many books were written with the advent of the rulers coming from Middle East countries, and what type of scene was there, what type of lifestyle, what the emperors and kings they did. So this type of thing was there in medieval time. Modern time, and we can say modern history, it contests to British rule, their policies. So this type of histories was written during these 3 periods. So student, it was the thing, this thing, or you can say Indian historiography, these 3 section was very important. So any historians or any author who is writing about history should take evidence from all these things, from all these books. So during this time also, medieval time and modern time, ancient time, some ideologies were developed. Some historians or some writers, their framework was differ from one historian to another historian. देखो, सबका थिंकिंग और सबका व्यूज एक जैसा नहीं होता है. बहुत सारे स्कूल ऑफ थॉट है, बहुत सारे स्कूल ऑफ थॉट्स होते हैं जिनका अपना आइडियोलॉजीज, अपना पॉलिसीज, अपना जो थिंकिंग है और अपना जो एक बोलते हैं आपका एक इमेजिनेशन और एक लिखने का तरीका वो डिफर होता है. तो उस समय कैसे क्या थिंकिंग था और क्या हिस्टोरियोग्राफी कौन से फ्रेमवर्क में डेवलप हुआ था. नाउ विल सी Indian historiography, various ideological framework. So these are the frameworks through which Indian history was developed. Understood? The first we'll see colonial historiography. The name itself colonial historiography means ये तो ब्रिटिशर्स के टाइम पे होगा और ब्रिटिशर्स लिखते होंगे इसको. The early scholars who studied and wrote Indian history were mainly British officers. देखो, printing press, writing, or you can say all these things was developed when Britishers during the time of Renaissance period. Remember, first printing press was developed in Europe. So जब printing press और writing जो style वो develop हुआ, तो Britishers were the first who came to our country and they wrote, मतलब I am talking about colonial historiography. So they wrote about this type of colonial historiography was mainly written by when India was going through colonialism. Understood? So colonial historiography refers to British writers or officers. So these officers were main writers who observed this our country and they wrote about India.